Want to measure anything with your iPhone? Here's how you can do it. Open the Measure app. If you don't see it, download Apple's free Measure from the App Store. Move your iPhone around so it can scan the space. To measure a straight line, align the dot with your starting point and tap the plus button. Walk or pan to the end point and tap plus again. You'll see the length on screen. Add more points to build multiple segments, then tap clear to start over. Measuring a rectangle is even easier. Aim at the object and pause. When a yellow outline appears, tap once to capture length, width, and area automatically. Want proof or sharing? Tap the shutter button to save a photo with the measurements overlaid. Tap any number to copy it to your clipboard for notes, texts, or email. Need a spirit level? Swipe to level inside the app to check shelves, frames, or countertops. For best accuracy, use good lighting, aim at textured surfaces, step back for larger objects, and move the phone smoothly. Bonus for pro models with LiDAR. Frame a person and their height appears instantly above their head. If this helped you, tap like, share your favorite iPhone tip in the comments, and subscribe for more quick iPhone guides.